guys, I am back with this really pretty makeup look. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to start off with my eyebrows as usual. I'm going to be using my ColourPop eye pencil. Y'all know I absolutely love this pencil. I have been using it for years. I have like a stack of them that I've ordered from ColourPop. I love them because the line is super thin and it just goes on so smooth. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and just line my brows. I'm going to draw them first and then I'm going to fill them in. For me, that's the best way to go ahead and do my brows, you guys, because if I just try to do them one by one, they come out uneven and all type of other stuff. However, y'all gonna see in here that the struggle is real, you guys. I swear, I think it is my left eyebrow. It just did not want to cooperate with me. So y'all gonna see the struggle that I'm going through when I try to go ahead and make them even. Y'all about to see in just a few moments, so stay tuned. Y'all, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this concealer brush by MAC and this L'Oreal Infallible liquid what is this? Oh my god, y'all, I cannot speak today. Concealer. Yes, I'm going to take my concealer and I am going to go ahead and use that brush, dip it on the doe foot, and then line my or clean up my brows, you guys. Y'all about to see the struggle with one of my brows. It just did not want to cooperate with me today. Alright, y'all, I'm about to take this Sigma Sigma concealer. It's like an eye concealer, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelids and wait for it, well, blend it out and then wait for it to get tacky and then start to put on my mascara. Okay guys, I am going to now take this Tarte palette. This one is called Big Ego. I told y'all like I own four, three of them are eyeshadows and the fourth is like a face highlighter, but this one is eyeshadows. So these are the colors. They are some really pretty pink and purplish colors, and this is what I'm going to be using today for my entire highlight, you guys. And these colors are super duper pigmented, so I absolutely love this palette and I do recommend y'all getting it. This is something new to me. It may not be new to you, but it's new to me. So the first color I'm going to be taking is that really pretty light pink, and I'm going to be using that as my transitional color. That is a really light pink. It is called I believe it's called Boss Babe. Alright, y'all, the next color I'm going to be getting is called Gold Getter. It's kind of a shimmery pink. It has like some shimmery colors in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and place that on my eyelids like a bit over my transition color as like kind of like a glittery color. Okay guys, so what I'm going to be doing is taking these two colors and mixing them together. It's called Strong, that's the pink one, and Humble is the lighter pink one. So I'm going to mix Strong and Humble together. Y'all, I just noticed this. The two colors, oh my god, it's so me, Strong and Humble. That is just something that I'm making this video and doing my voiceover. I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't even know that those two colors were called that. But yes, you guys, they are called Strong and Humble. Oh my god, look at my husband in the background. He always trying to, you know, video bomb or photo bomb my stuff with unnecessary conversation. I think he just wanted to be in there. But yeah, you guys, I'm just going to take that brush right there and put it in my crease as my crease color, okay? Alright, right, y'all, next I am going to go ahead and take this really pretty other color here. This color is called Empower. It is a purple color. You guys, I have what is called hooded eye, my eyes, sorry, hooded eyes. So y'all, if y'all see what I'm talking about, y'all see like the line like when I open my eyes. So what I'm going to be doing is packing this all over my mobile lid, and also I'm going to be bringing it up just above my crease, because my eyeshadows, I noticed, and I've been noticing when I make my tutorials, what's happening is it really don't come out the way that I want because of my hooded eyes. So what I'm doing is I'm going to also pull it up right above my crease so it'll like transition correctly, if that makes sense to any of you guys who have eyes such as mine. You guys, I'm back, and I am going to take this next color, not that one, sorry. I'm going to mix together these two. I'm going to mix together their Positivity and Boss Babe. Boss Babe is the one on top, Positivity is the one on the bottom. Y'all, I absolutely love the names of this palette, I swear. But anyways, I am just going to take those two, mix them together, and use them kind of as a highlight for my brows today. I felt like doing some type of highlight, so that's what I did with these two colors. Okay, next I'm going to be taking this Mmakiage eyeliner. Y'all, lately I have been absolutely loving this Mmakiage eyeliner. Like I told y'all in the previous video, I got it for free when I ordered some foundation that absolutely did not match. They're supposed to be sending me another one at no cost to me. But anyways, back to the eyeliner. Y'all, I love it. I love the tip of it. It is very fine, and so far so good. It does not smudge. It lasts all day. I don't have any problems, and it goes on smooth. I absolutely love it. Okay, next I'm going to be taking my Sky High liner, eyelash, whatever mascara. This is from Maybelline. This is their new mascara, you guys. I picked it up myself from, I believe, Walgreens or CVS, one of them. But y'all, I absolutely love this mascara. Y'all know I am not a lashes person. I'm a mascara girl. But hey, I got a surprise coming up for y'all in another video about the lash situation. But yeah, this mascara, you guys, is the business. I do recommend y'all try, for those of you who are like myself, who do not wear lashes and are not really people who like lashes at all. No type of them, individuals or strips, none of them. I don't do them anymore. This mascara is the business, you guys. It will have y'all eyelashes looking very natural, but very long, but very flary. Y'all will see how my makeup look come out. Y'all will see. Alright, y'all, I'm going to take my Milani Prime Shield. This is for us oily folks, y'all. I absolutely love it. I've been using this for years. I'm just going to shake it up, put it on my face, and let it sit for about a minute before I apply my foundation. Y'all, this is some tricks I learned from watching some of the folks that do makeup, to actually let the primer sit a bit. Any primers actually, as well as the concealer, sit a bit before you start messing with it. That way it gives the product time to seep in, soak in. For the primer, it gives it time to get tacky and makes your makeup last longer. And yes, it does work. Now what I'm going to do, you guys, is take one of my favorite foundations. This is the Milani 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, and my color that I use, you guys, is called Tan. However, y'all will see what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead, because this color right here is a little bit off, so fix that, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. This one is blue. Y'all, I ordered the yellow and I ordered the orange because no more of my foundations am I going to be switching out, taking back, and none of that. All because of this. So I put 3 pumps of the foundation and 1 pump of the blue. I'm going to go ahead and get the back of just an eye pencil, you guys, honestly, and mix it together, and that is going to give me my perfect shade. Y'all, I'm gonna come out with a video with this because I swear I don't know how I found this out. I think I was just scrolling across the Ulta website and I saw it and I read the information on it, so I looked it up and I was like, oh my god, this is heaven sent. No more going back to foundation, exchanging and nothing. Depending on which one of these pigments you get, you guys, you can change your foundation color to match your skin exactly. And when I say it works, it works. This is what I was telling y'all I'm gonna do with that Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm not going to switch it out for nothing. I'm not switching any more of my foundations for anything. If I get a color that's a little bit off, I'm gonna be using one of these pigments. Today I'm using the blue pigment just to make it come more to my skin tone. The blue pigments makes it more warmer and put some more warmth in it. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, now what I'm going to do is just take my Real Techniques blending sponge. Now this is my first time using one of these angled blending sponges, so it kind of threw me off a bit, but y'all see, oh my god, I'm so happy. It matches my skin tone perfectly. If I wouldn't have did it, like, it would have been some weird color, like I believe it would have been, I don't know, I can't explain it. It would have just been off. I think if y'all want me to show y'all a video of what it is I'm talking about, how the foundation was off versus what I just did, I will. But y'all see, it matches my skin tone perfectly. I am so happy that I ran across this. This may not be new to y'all, but it is new to me and I am absolutely in love. Y'all see my foundation? Oh my god, I get it. It matches me perfectly. But yeah, this sponge, y'all, it's cool. Now, the foundation is not, I didn't put like another layer or whatever on it. I don't know why. I just didn't feel like it because I felt like after I put all my powders and stuff, you know, it would have evened out. But y'all can still see a little bit of my spots. So what I'm doing is I am going to go ahead and take this concealer. This concealer is L'Oreal Infallible. I have 3 of them, y'all. This one is the honey, so I'm going to take that and spot treat. Honey is like way darker than my skin. Not way, but like 2 or 3 shades darker. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my skin, and I'm going to use that same Real Technique sponge and blend it out. I'm also going to mix the honey together with, I believe I mixed it together with almond. So honey and almond, I'm mixing together kind of to conceal those dark spots. Y'all, my face is clearing up and I am super happy about that. It's clearing up because of my products. My links will be down in the bottom bar and for y'all to check out. What I'm going to do now, y'all, is take another one of these L'Oreal Infallible full wear mascaras, concealers, and this one is in almond. So I'm using almond to highlight my face, you guys. I am loving these concealers. So I have 3 of them. I have caramel, almond, and not caramel, sorry, I have toffee, almond, and honey. So the one I'm using right now to highlight is called almond, and I love it. Alright, y'all, I am going to take my black Radiance pressed powder. I've had this for years. I don't know what shade. I think it's in mocha or cocoa or something like that. And I am going to go ahead and contour my face with this brush right here. I'm sorry, you guys. My camera cut off on me. I swear I thought I was recording me contouring, but I guess not. My camera, what it did is it ran out of the recording capacity. Like, I guess it, you know, anyways, it just ran out of recording capacity, so I thought I was recording, but I didn't. But I don't have any products on this brush, y'all. This is the concealer brush that I use to you know, just go ahead and I'm just blending out, basically. That's what I'm doing. I'm just blending out the concealer, the lighter one, and I'm mixing it together with my contour just so I don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. That's what I'm doing, you guys, just blending away. What I'm going to do now, you guys, is take my Laura Mercier loose face powder. This is the one I got. The one I got, I believe this is called Medium Deep. I use this as an all over face powder to give my face back warmth when I, just give my face some warmth, honestly. Okay, what I'm going to do is take my MAC blush, you guys. It is in Raisin. I've been loving this blush lately. I'm just going to go ahead, and this is a very pretty color, you guys. So pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this Real Techniques blush brush and put that on the cheek. All right, so what I'm going to do is take these two things here. First, I'm going to be using this MAC pencil in Beet, and another one of these liquid lipsticks that I got from Amazon, you guys. Links for this one will be down in the bottom. It has no name to the lipstick, but the brand is called Quebest. I'll put it down in the bottom bar for you guys, so if you want to check it out. Alright, y'all, what I'm going to go ahead and do now is take this setting spray. It's by Milani. It's the Make It Last Matte HD spray, y'all. I love it, and this does help my makeup stay where it's supposed to be all my whole 9 or 10 hours, even 12 that I use it. Okay, y'all, what I'm going to do now is take this same pencil that I use for my brows, the ColourPop one, line my bottom waterline. Same thing, y'all know I don't like the black one, so that's why I use the brown one. Alright, you guys, that's the end of this video, and this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and let me know how you guys are liking this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.